Hey everybody, it's Davey at USA Roofing and Gutters. I'm here with Mr. Dorning, and we just finished his roof, and we just want to share a little bit about his experience with us. So Mr. Dorning, what was your experience with us initially?
My experience initially was good. After it was all said and done, my experience was great.
Wow.
From start to finish, I called you guys as a kind of a second opinion type thing. I just needed a second quote,
Okay.
Just to make sure that the first quote from the first roofing company I got was kind of in line with what I needed. And then I talked to the sales manager, which happened to be you.
Yes, sir.
And you kind of helped me through the first quote and kind of helped me through your quote, which was super easy, because you did it virtually, I believe.
Yep. Initially, yes, sir.
Yeah, and took a look at it from space, and then you guys sent me a quote, and I knew that the manner in which you communicated with me, I knew that you were going to be my roofing
Wow.
company. So
We definitely appreciate that, yeah.
you know, some of the concerns I had going in were, of course, price, how long it was going to take,
Yeah.
you know, what sort of, you know, disruption I was going to have, but all of it was really, really minimal. The quote was great. It took, I guess, a day maybe to put the roof on, and then we had the gutters put on as well. But even like everybody that I've dealt with USA Roofing, all the contractors that came in, all super professional.
Yeah, absolutely.
Super quick and just good all around.
Awesome.
So,
Well, we really appreciate that. It
Yeah,
means a lot to
absolutely.
us. You call us in the future if you need anything.
absolutely will do in the next 30 years.